Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to find the value of this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We have log base of A of B in here. We can write into ln B over ln A. So in this situation, we can transform this one into this one. That's about ln of e to the power of 2022 over ln of negative 2022. Next, we have the second formula in here. ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we will apply this formula for this one. So you will got about 2022 ln of e over ln of negative 2022. We know that ln e is about number 1. So you got about 2022 over ln of negative 2022. Next, we have the formula in here. That should be about e to the power of ip plus number 1 equals to number 0. So that means we got about e to the power of ib equals to negative number 1. So we will apply this formula in here. We know that negative in here represent about negative number 1. So we put negative number 1 into this one in here. And now we have the last formula. That's about ln of a plus ln of b equals to ln of a multiplied by b. So in this situation, you got about ln of e to the power of ib plus ln of 2022. And this one you got about ib. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.